Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So euro currency has completed a few targets that we have discussed in our weekly report around 95 area. So we have the medium-term target around 90, even below the parity on the Great British Pound, as we discussed. Also in weekly report is 95 below the parity. So in general, probably you already understood that the market action that we see currently across the board, not only in the Forex, you could see the collapse on the stock market and collapse on the bonds. So all this action doesn't fit to normal market behavior, normal market processes. So this is a different thing. This is definite distortion of the system that we have inhabit with, and actually we are living with in the recent few decades. This has been said. Based on the dominance of the United States dollar. So currently this system is showing real problems. And to save it, United States take the unprecedented efforts just to move all cash flows into the United States economy system just to support this, especially the bond market is the most huge market. And actually, as you know, the debt is the blood of all economy because everything's starting from the getting money. And the impact on other markets you could see on your screen. So everything is falling except United States dollar. So from the technical point of view, right there, we understand that this is probably not the final point yet. As we said, the nearest 6 months will be critical for global economy system, and some big events probably should happen. Of course, we understand that this is probably not the end of the downward action in euro currency. We understand that it's not the end of the downward action on the cable. And if we take a look at the dollar index and chart that we discussed, market hits the 113 target that we discussed, even has exceeded it. As you can see, market stands in the weekly. This is monthly chart. In the monthly overbought, monthly XLP, and 1618 butterflies completed. Meantime, we have the major ABCD pattern with the 120 target. Right there, it says OP. But still, as market stands at the overbought, here, euro currency stands at the oversold on the weekly chart finally. So if you can see, we talked about this lower border of this channel that it agrees with the weekly oversold. And this market has reached it recently. So we consider that maybe some bounce could happen here. So just watching for that. On the daily chart, you can see this also market is overextended. Financial markets usually heavily take the overbought oversold conditions, trying to abandon it as fast as possible. So commodities could stay with it longer and easier actually. So while for the financial markets, bonds, stocks, currencies, it's a bit more difficult. So and you can see market now is forming some consolidation here. Downward action has stopped, at least temporarily. The nearest levels that we could consider actually it's the same as 98 approximately, and the confidence around 98, and here is 98.16, 99.50, so it's around 99. So this is previous lows as well. Hardly his overall tendency still stands intact, and we do not see any reasons for reversal. So probably hardly will get some breakout and stronger upward acceleration, despite when the European Central Bank will change the rate. Hardly this will change something. Because European Central Bank miserably behind the inflation behind the Fed, especially because the inflation in the European Union is much harder than the United States by many reasons, while the European Central Bank policy is softer. So here European Central Bank has no chance actually to reverse the tendency. But some pullback, some on the comments from the Christine Lagarde maybe could happen or something of that sort. So on the 4 time frame chart, we see the targets that's been completed that we discussed. Inner ABCD XOP butterfly. It's all around 96, 95 area. As now market shows some bounce. So I do not know, maybe we could consider some pullback at least to the 97.70, 97.50, this confidence area, getting some gutless people to sell. That led us to consider possibly taking the short position right there, because at the current levels, market stands at oversold in the weekly and daily chart, and the overbought on the monthly on the United States dollar. It's not very comfortable to sell right there, so it's naturally we're prefer to wait for some pullback, some retracement. So that's actually what we have currently on the euro currency, and in fact you could see the similar situation on all other markets. Same situation on the cable, on the Japanese yen. So just let's keep watching and see what the chance we will get for taking the short position here.